So the thrift store just announced that they've got Christmas stuff going out, and I'm going to go and have a look. This wasn't in my plans. I need to go to the shop and top it up, so I'll have some footage of that later. But first of all, I'm going to go and see what I can find. I didn't film a thrift with me just because it was so hectic and the car park was jam-packed, so it was a bit of a free-for-all, so I'll show you what I got. So this is my trolley. It's quite full. £25 a lot. So I got this vintage picture. I bought it mainly for the frame, for religious prints, to replace the picture, and then I put a religious print in it and sell that. I also got this one, which again is for another religious print. I'll probably keep the pictures and do something with them at some point, or put them in a smaller frame. And then I got this one just because it's so strange, such a weird picture. I think it's got something about it. The frame's, not sure about the frame, but I think it adds to it, so I'll probably sell it with the frame. So I've got these little pair of Buddhas. I'm not sure if they're Buddhas or incense holders, actually. They could be, because they've got little holes in the sides of the ears. Not sure, but I include them. A couple of sets of these candles. So I have a plan for these, which is to make some religious backdrops, and then we will use these just for lighting, a bit like a religious altar, and I think they could be quite sellable, especially at Christmas, for sort of religious but not nativity specific looking decor. I got this wooden piece, which is just a base for an anatomy figure or for a dome cloche. Up this vintage Christmas tree, which is actually broken, and I knew it was broken, but it looks okay from one side. To my collection, because on the living room windowsill I like to put all different Christmas trees, like bottle bush trees and stuff like that, so we'll add them to that. So Mike likes a multicoloured tree, and I like a warm white tree. So this year we've said we're going to have a tree each. So I'll do the one in the front room, and he can do the one in the back room, and he'll use all the sort of multicoloured. Got a bag of drums. I think this will go on Mike's tree. He'll like those. Picked up a bag of spiral candles. Just red ones. These are quite hard to come by, and they were super cheap. It's turned into absolute party time here. I picked up just this piece of vintage Christmas wrap. I'm not sure if it is vintage, but the design definitely is, and I just thought that could be really sweet remade as like a decoration or something on a big piece of wood. I also got these, which must be what those candles were used in, which is just brass, gold. I think they're brass. I think they're solid brass. Candle holders. I just think they were really good, and they were really good weight. I picked up this little piece of brass which just holds little candles. I probably will just sell this one. Yeah, just for a few pounds. I picked up these again for Mike's tree. Mike likes the vintage decorations with the indent in them, so I picked these up. I don't think these are vintage, but they just have that look. And I picked up this little one as well, which I think this will probably go with those candle sets to make the religious sort of backdrops. We've got these, which are solid brass, mistletoe, starflake, another mistletoe. This is the one that I could see in the bag, little hollies. I just thought they were really nice. Forgot to pick this up. I picked this up. Mike won't like this at all. She's freaky, isn't she? She's scary with those eyes. Look at them. That's even I agree that's horrible, that one. She's got to be worth something. She's got to be vintage. She's Christmas. She's got to be rare. I think she's probably worth something, so we'll check her out later. Some more vintage lights, again with the little frilly bit. So I've got 3 sets of these colourful Christmas lights. I've got the old ones with the little piece of plastic around them, very, very vintage looking. Mike likes a colourful tree. I like a warm white tree. So we're going to be doing separate trees this year if we can. Mike's going to do a retro style one with lots of bright lights and all of the ornaments that he likes, and I'm going to do the warm white classic one in the front room. But either way, I like the old style lights, so the old, not the LED ones, the old incandescent bulbs, the ones that used to pop and drive you mad because then you'd have to go and find which single one it was. I bought a brand new set, £15 on Amazon last year. They came and within 24 hours one of the bulbs had blown, so I had to take them all off the tree again and find which one it was. But the look was just stunning. I picked up another set of 100. I think my tree's probably now got about 700 or 800 lights on it. And I'll be sure to share that with you nearer the time. And I also got a little pack of spares. And right down in the bottom I got a couple of stars. I don't know what for, I don't really like them, but I picked them up. And then I got some artificials for garlands. That was my haul. Right now I need to go and change over the stuff in the car and head to the shop to top it up.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa, why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, just tell me, why did she go?
I hope you've enjoyed this little video, sort of a day in the life, heading along to see what I bought at the thrift store and seeing me top stuff up in the shop. If you did, please do remember to hit that like button and give this video a thumbs up. And if there's anyone else that you think would like any of my content, please feel free to share any of my videos with them, because I'm really trying to grow my channel. We just hit 3,000 subscribers and I'm really hoping that we'll hit 4,000 soon. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next episode.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep.